My name is Kurmala Tarunteja. Here the teaching is very nice. You must concentrate on yourself, do your best, go for interviews, get a job. All the best for your job. I wanted to tell you, concentrate on method overriding, everything works concepts, manual testing, black box testing. Every testing you must know. In black box testing there will be a more testing like acceptance testing, system testing. These all are very important. Ad hoc testing, everything is important. Please study, then go for interviews. Don't neglect on SQL. Prepare SQL queries.